Good morning, dear students. I am teaching chapter 2 microorganism friends and foe. By mistake I forgot to nitrogen cycle. So today I will discuss about the nitrogen cycle. What is the nitrogen cycle? You know that in the atmosphere nitrogen is present in the atmosphere is 78% and 21% oxygen is present, and in 1% different gases just like argon, helium, etc. So in our environment nitrogen is present 78%. So first I will draw the diagram of the nitrogen cycle and then I will tell you what is the nitrogen cycle. So here I will write nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen cycle. I will draw the diagram and you can see nitrogen cycle. What is the nitrogen cycle? You can see that it is uptake by the plant roots. Uptake by the plant roots. Uptake by the plant's root. Uptake by the plant roots. And here you can see that two animals. Then you can see that bacteria convert compounds of nitrogen. Here I will tell you. Here you can see that bacteria convert compounds. Here you can see that bacteria converts compound. Bacteria convert compounds of nitrogen into gaseous nitrogen. And then it changes into the nitrogen in air. Here you can see that nitrogen in air 78%. Nitrogen in air, that is the 78%. And then here you can see that fertilizers. Here I will tell you fertilizers. And then I will tell you here compounds of nitrogen in soil. Compounds of nitrogen in soil. Compounds of nitrogen in soil. And then it is fertilizers I will make here, and you can see that from here. And then two animals, it is nitrogenous wastage from the excretion and death. Nitrogenous wastage from excretion and death. From excretion and death. Nitrogenous wastage from the excretion and death. So here two animals you can see. I will make arrow from here to here and again then nitrogen fixing bacteria, and here I will write nitrogen fixing bacteria and blue-green algae in the soil fix soil, fix nitrogen, fix nitrogen, and then lightning. Here you can see that lightning, L-I-G-S-T, lightning, lightning. So you will make arrow here, then this lightning here, then nitrogen fixing bacteria here, and this one here. So now I will discuss nitrogen cycle. What is the nitrogen cycle? You know that our atmosphere contains 78% of nitrogen, which exists in molecular form as N2. We are writing nitrogen like this, N2. It exists in the atmosphere. It exists as molecule, that is the N2. We are writing like this, N2. Then nitrogen is an essential constituting of living organism, and it is an important component of proteins, nucleic acids, chlorophyll, and many other compounds. And you know that the atmospheric nitrogen cannot be used in its elements from directly by plants and animals. You know that nitrogen is not directly absorbed by the plants. It is first it changes into the nitrates, then it is absorbed by the plants and animals. Directly nitrogen is not absorbed by the plants and animals. It absorbed when it changes into the, first it is broken down into the nitrates, then it is absorbed by the plants and animals. I think all of you understood till here. Then certain bacteria and blue-green algae present in the soil, and they help in this conversion. Some bacteria and blue-green algae help in this conversion. First it changes into the nitrates, then it is absorbed by the plants and animals. And once nitrogen is converted into its usable compounds, it can be taken up by the plants from the soil through their root system. And when it changes into the nitrates or in the usable form, then it is absorbed by the roots of the plants. And these compounds are used for the synthesis of plant proteins and other compounds. Animals in turn get these proteins from the plants on which they feed. After that, when plants and animals die, microbes like bacteria and fungi present in the soil and perform an important function of decomposing the nitrogenous compounds into simpler compounds of nitrogen, that is the ammonia and nitrates. Because when any certain bacteria convert compounds of nitrogen into the gaseous nitrogen, then it is help in the very easy to take. And after that, certain bacteria also convert the simpler compounds of nitrogen into nitrogen gas, which enters the atmosphere, and in this manner the percentage of nitrogen in the atmosphere is maintained. And after that, this compounds of nitrogen into nitrogen gas enters into the atmosphere. Then this bacteria convert compounds of nitrogen into the gaseous nitrogen, and when it will change into the gaseous form, then only it is comes in the environment, and then we can say that nitrogen in the atmosphere is present 78%. And then here you can see that compound nitrogen wastage from excretion and death, then it is absorbed by the plant roots, and then it is sent to the different parts of the body and used as the fertilizers. So this is the nitrogen cycle, how it converts into the nitrogen, and this nitrogen how it changes into the nitrates, and then it is converted by the how first it changes into the simpler form, then it is taken by the plants and the animals. This is all about the nitrogen cycle. And this nitrogen cycle you will take revision. First you will read, you will draw the diagram. you will take revision 2-3 times when you will draw in your rough copy, then easily you can understand about the nitrogen cycle. So you will take revision of this nitrogen cycle. I think all of you understood. This is your diagram of the nitrogen cycle. When it will come in exam, draw the diagram of the nitrogen cycle and explain. So first you will draw this diagram and then you will explain. How I explain like this, you will explain. So this is all about the nitrogen cycle, and you will take revision till here. And that was I forgot to tell you about the nitrogen cycle. So I have started chapter 3. So first I have completed nitrogen cycle, and you will take revision of this, and then again I will start the chapter 3. So this is all about the nitrogen cycle, and you will take a revision.